Today, we've got an exciting topic for you: how to buy Bitcoin with your bank account. And to make it even more interesting, we're going to explore 7 different exchanges. Stick around as we walk you through the steps. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly discuss why you might want to buy Bitcoin with your bank account. Using your bank account can often be more cost-effective and provide higher purchase limits compared to other methods. Plus, it's a convenient and secure way to enter the crypto space. Now, let's take a look at 7 popular exchanges that allow you to buy Bitcoin with your bank account. First up, we have Coinbase, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. Coinbase is known as a reputable platform thanks to its user-friendly interface and security features. Over 30 million people worldwide choose Coinbase for buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which makes it a great choice for buying Bitcoin with your bank account. The first step is to create your Coinbase account. Go to sign up and choose your account type, whether it's individual or business, to get started. Now you'll need to create an account by entering in your first name, last name, email address, and a secure password. After certifying that you're 18 years of age or older, you can then create your free account. Coinbase will send you a verification email for you to complete that will activate your account. Now let's explore how to buy Bitcoin on the Coinbase platform using your bank account. Go to Bitcoin, and then go to buy and sell. This will open up a buy and sell screen where you can now select your payment method. Go to add a new payment method, and then select bank account. Next, you will need to connect to Plaid to log into your bank account. Coinbase will automatically link with your bank account using Plaid. After your bank account has been successfully linked with Coinbase, you can go back to the buy section to complete your purchase. Go to preview buy, and now you can see your entire order details, including fees and the total amount of purchase. You can also select invest weekly if you want to make weekly purchases. When you are satisfied with your order, go to buy now. Congratulations, you successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase with your bank account. The next exchange is Kraken, a trusted cryptocurrency exchange known for its robust security measures and user-friendly interface. Kraken is actually one of the first Bitcoin exchanges on the market and is a great choice for buying Bitcoin with your bank account and with wire transfers. Kraken is known for its security and great customer support. The first step is to go to sign up. Then select personal or business as the type of account that you want to open. Enter your username, email, a secure password, and then accept the terms of service and privacy policy to create your account. Kraken will send you an activation email that you will need to approve in order to activate your account. Now that you have created your account, it's time to link your bank account to Kraken for easy transactions. From the homepage, go to your profile and go to payment methods. Now select add a payment method to buy crypto instantly. Go to add a bank account. You will need to connect to your bank by entering your username and password. Now let's explore how to buy Bitcoin on the Kraken platform. From the Kraken homepage, look for Bitcoin and then go to buy. Now enter the amount that you want to purchase and then review your order. You can also make recurring purchases if you desire. Now go to review your purchase and ensure that all the details are correct. Once you are ready to proceed, hit the checkbox and confirm your order. Congratulations! You successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken with your bank account. The next exchange is Etoro, an excellent platform for buying and trading cryptocurrencies. Etoro is a great choice for buying Bitcoin with your bank account because it is popular and supported globally. They also have excellent customer support should you require any type of assistance. The first step is setting up your Etoro account. Go to join Etoro, and now you'll be brought to a screen where you can enter in an email address, a username, and a password. Then you will need to create an account. After you have done so, Etoro will send you an email to verify your account so that you can begin buying and selling Bitcoin. Now, let's link your bank account to Etoro for seamless transactions. Go to deposit funds, and now you will be asked to fund your account using PayPal, debit card, or bank account. Select bank account. Now, go ahead and link your bank account with Etoro. With your bank account linked, let's explore how to buy Bitcoin on the Etoro platform. Go to search and type in Bitcoin. Now click on Trade for Bitcoin. This will open a window where you can select how much you would like to invest directly into Bitcoin. You can select market orders or limit orders as your order type. Once you are ready to place a trade, go ahead and click Confirm. Congratulations! You successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on Etoro with your bank account. The next exchange is Sex.io, a reputable platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Sex.io is a popular exchange that supports customers all over the globe. Sex.io offers many payment features, including Apple Pay, bank account, and debit card, credit card to complete your purchases. The first step is to create your Sex.io account. Go to Register, and now create your account whether you are a business account or personal account. Sex.io will ask you to verify your identity so that you can begin to use the platform. After you have verified your Sex.io account, it's now time to link your bank account to Sex.io for easy transactions. Go to Products, Wallet, and then find Bitcoin and then select Add Funds. Go to Select Payment Method, and you should see an option for Bank Account. Enter the total amount you want to purchase. Make sure that everything looks correct, including the fee, commission, as well as the total amount. Then go to Proceed. Make sure that you are satisfied with your purchase, and then go to Buy. Congratulations! You successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on Sex.io with your bank account. The next exchange is Paybis, a trusted platform that makes cryptocurrency purchases simple and secure. If you want to get started with Paybis, navigate to the official Paybis website at paybis.com. Locate and click on the Sign Up button, beckoning you to a world of crypto possibilities. The next step is to enter your email address, and then Paybis will help you set up a brand new account so that you can begin purchasing Bitcoin. Paybis will ask you to verify your identity before you can begin exchanging cryptocurrency on the platform. After you have successfully verified your Paybis account, you can now begin to purchase Bitcoin on Paybis. From the Paybis dashboard, locate the Buy Crypto tab. This will bring you to a page where you can buy and sell crypto using select payment methods. Select your fiat currency, and for bank account, select Online Banking. Now, enter in the amount that you wish to purchase. Select Bitcoin, and then go to Buy Bitcoin. Paybis will ask you whether you want to store your cryptocurrency on the Paybis wallet or on an external wallet. If you choose an external wallet, you'll have to enter in your Bitcoin wallet address so that you can send the Bitcoin directly to that address. Otherwise, you can select Paybis wallet, and Paybis will keep the Bitcoin for you. Make sure to confirm your order details, including the total amount, fees, and the wallet address that you are sending your Bitcoin to. Once you're satisfied with your order details, go to Continue and confirm your buy order. And now you have successfully purchased Bitcoin using bank account on Paybis. Our next exchange is Coinmama, a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Coinmama is known for its user-friendliness and ease of use and serves customers all over the world. Coinmama is an excellent choice for buying Bitcoin with your bank account because they are safe, secure, and have excellent customer support. Step 1 is setting up your Coinmama account. From the homepage, go to Sign Up. Now you will be asked to create a Coinmama account using your email address and a secure password. Coinmama will send you a verification email that you can confirm to activate your account. Now, let's explore how to buy Bitcoin on a Coinmama platform. From the homepage, go to Buy. Now, go to Payment Methods and select USD as your fiat currency. And then select ACH Bank Transfer. And then now enter the amount that you want to purchase. Ensure that Bitcoin is your cryptocurrency selected, and hit Continue when you're ready to proceed. Coinmama will send you an email to verify your transaction. Once the transaction has been confirmed, the Bitcoins will be received within your Bitcoin wallet, and from there, we recommend setting it to a secure cold storage wallet for an extra layer of security. Congratulations, you successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on Coinmama with your bank account. The next exchange is Gemini, a trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Gemini is a well-known and reputable platform known for its security measures and user-friendly interface. Owned by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini is an excellent choice for buying Bitcoin with your bank account. The first step is to create your Gemini account. Go to Sign Up, And from here, select either individual or business as the type of account that you want to open. Next, enter your legal first name, last name, email, number, and a secure password. Then you will need to accept the terms of service and privacy policy in order to create your account. Gemini will send you an activation email that you will need to confirm in order to activate your account and begin trading on Gemini. Now that you have activated your Gemini account, let's link your bank account to Gemini for smooth transactions. From the Gemini dashboard, go to Account and Settings. Now go to Payment Methods and select Add Payment Method. Now you have two options for choosing bank account as a payment method. You can choose either bank account instantly via Plaid or bank account manually, where you will enter your account and routing numbers. You can choose either one, but we recommend going with bank account instantly via Plaid. Now go ahead and link your bank account with Gemini. After your bank account has been linked, you can begin purchasing Bitcoin using bank account. Go to your Market tab, and from here select Bitcoin. Go over to Make a Trade, where it says Buy, and select How Often. Here you can choose to order once, daily, weekly, twice monthly, or monthly, depending on your order frequency. Next, you will want to enter the amount that you want to purchase, and double check to make sure everything looks good before you continue. Now go to Review Order. You should see a purchase amount that you just chose with the payment method that you linked earlier, and the total amount that you wish to purchase. Confirm your order details including the fees, and confirm Buy when you're ready to move forward with the purchase. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on Gemini with your bank account. And there you have it, 7 different platforms where you can buy Bitcoin with your bank account. Each platform has its unique features, so choose the one that aligns with your preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.